Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ashraful Islam Show on YouTube channel Engram and more. Here is a dialogue between two friends about the importance of reading newspaper. I hope you will enjoy the video. Let's watch it. Hello, Miss Green. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What about you?
I am fine too, thanks.
Did you read the article featuring our school in today's newspaper?
No, I didn't. Actually, I don't read newspaper that much.
What are you saying? In this competitive world, reading newspaper has become very important for us.
Please, explain.
Well, newspapers keep us updated with present world. You can know about politics, economy and current affairs of our country and other countries of the world.
But, I have no interest in these topics. I am interested in sports and media.
Well, you can know everything about sports and media world in newspaper.
Okay, I get it. How else do the newspapers help us?
Well, you can also find different advertisements in newspapers. Besides, you will get job advertisements in it. Most of the newspapers have education pages in which students of various classes can learn many lessons.
I think I understand the importance of reading newspaper now. I will try to build up this habit.
Best of luck.